The new Call of Duty Advanced Warfare is a true rip-off of Titanfall. If you don't know the Titanfall is the game that everybody should know. If you really don't know Titanfall, then you're living in a stone age, okay? Titanfall is the game basically which revolutionized the first-person shooter. Basically, the first-person shooter was becoming a boring game. To be honest, it was the same concept, it was the same mechanic, and EA decided no. Basically, they bring out a solid game, a new franchise with something unique mechanics in it. But the problem is that I don't know why the hell Call of Duty Advanced Warfare Fighter trying to copy Titanfall. Basically, Call of Duty Advanced Warfare is a true ripoff of Titanfall. I play all Call of Duty game except one Call of Duty Ghost. I play all Call of Duty game. The best Call of Duty game was Call of Duty 3 and Call of Duty 5. What was it called? Call of Duty World at War. Basically, the last Call of Duty I play Call of Duty 2 Black Ops 2. After that, I stopped playing Call of Duty. I become bored. Call of Duty Ghost, one of the I can say is one of the worst game in Call of Duty franchise because nothing new in it. You bring a dog. Are we playing in a zoo? Huh? Are we going to play a pet game? Call of Duty. You in Ghost you just bring a dog. And why the hell you put the Call of Duty Ghost name? You try to even insult the Ghost Recon franchise. I love Ghost Recon. And then by the Ghost Recon franchise, do you remember back in 2006 there was a game called Ghost Recon Advanced Warfighter? Do you remember? After 8 years, the same kind of mechanics the Call of Duty Advanced Warfighter trying to implement, plus they try to copy the concept of Titanfall. In that you are put into a Titan, basically a mech giant robot. I'm not saying fully they're trying to copy, but if you see the trailer, you will see the guys there, the fighter, then the games are put into a mech suit, and then they're firing the weapon like a big giant. That's the title for mechanic. Basically, you're trying to copy. If you compare the gameplay footage of from the trailer with the Titanfall, it's a true rip off. Enough is enough. To be honest with you, sometimes the franchise should be closed. Basically, Call of Duty. Do you remember, guys? Now a lot of Call of Duty guy will hate me. Do you remember, guys? The Call of Duty, whatever the hell he was for, I couldn't recall his name right now. He said the Call of Duty, the person who play Call of Duty game, they are no hardcore gamer. A lot of Call of Duty guys, the people played the game, they think they are true hardcore gamer, and in the Call of Duty, the hierarchy, the manager, whatever he was, is saying you are not a hardcore gamer. Our Call of Duty fan base is not hardcore. A person spending 20 hours of his days playing Call of Duty, and the Call of Duty franchise saying us you are not a hardcore gamer, screw up. From that day, I made my mind I'm not gonna play any Call of Duty. And then when I saw Call of Duty Ghost trailer, even I saw the gameplay footage, I say I'm not gonna spend my time of playing this crappy game. There's really good games out there like what was his game called? The Wolfenstein game, the new game, Dishonor, and then Bioshock Infinite. There's really good first person shooter game out there like Bioshock. Bioshock didn't try to copy the same mechanics over and over again. They reboot their series. Like what is the game called? Raider, whatever the hell you call it. Basically, you call it Raider here. Tomb Raider, basically they rebooted the series. They brought all the games here and then give us a new life to the game. Why the hell Call of Duty cannot reboot it and then give us a new life? Like Assassin's Creed. Basically, the new upcoming Assassin's Creed Unity is again is going to be a worst game. Nothing new. We really don't want a French Revolution. We really don't want enough is enough. Give us our new Assassin's Creed game in China. China location very well suited for Assassin's Creed type game like the temple, like the hats up on the temple, climbing, all that kind of stuff. Or give us a Assassin's Creed during the World War II or during the Cold War. No, they really don't want to give. Even the Call of Duty, the Black Ops try to be the game between the Cold War, but give us true Cold War game, Call of Duty. or just give us a Vietnam War, because I'm really missing the Vietnam War game. Now there's nobody making the first person shooter set in Vietnam. Really, the Call of Duty can make a really solid game. Just give a tropical island of Vietnam with vivid effect on it, vivid lighting, like use a bright color palette on it. The game will rock. Indeed, yes. Call of Duty Vietnam, Call of Duty, whatever you wanna hell call it. But do not try to give me a rip-off game of Titanfall. I love Titanfall. That game is one of my solid game. Titanfall is that game which can easily fight Halo series. I'm not talking about crappy Destiny, which is the worst game of all time. Basically, it will become very soon if not. Basically, Destiny is one of the games which even does not live up to the expectation. Basically, it's failed. So leave your comment below. Do you agree me that Call of Duty Advanced Warfighter is a true rip-off of Titanfall? Do you think, are you really tired of every year you getting the same old Call of Duty rebrand and repackaged in a new packaging? Basically, they just change the cover art and they change the few locations. Same gameplay. I'm really becoming tired of it. So subscribe to my channel if you hate me. Just hate me. If you like me, just like me. Share the video. If you like, even you don't share, don't care. Bye, Nara. Bloody Call of Duty Advanced Warfighter.